While registering for St. Xaviers entrance exam application, it's asking for 12th standard marks, and which is mandatory. My inbox is full with that question. So guys, finally we completed filling up form for St. Xaviers, and in this video we're going to tell you step-by-step procedure. So if you're somebody who is stuck with your form, please make sure that you watch the video till the end. Let's get started with the form filling process.
The first step to filling your XCT form is starting by the 12th standard stream that you're in. Is it arts, science, commerce, with or without max? And then the program that you're applying for in Xaviers, followed by the center that is closest to you. Then comes your personal details and then the contact details. Keeping in mind that the star marked, that is a red asterisk marked details, are compulsory, which means you can leave the rest. Make sure to read and understand the general instructions and rules and the undertaking that you'll be applying to. Tick the box, save and proceed. Now you'll receive your application form number, and you have to fill in your Aadhaar number and a scanned PDF format of the same Aadhaar copy, along with a profile picture. Now we proceed to the payment of 3,000 rupees in online payment, and that's where you complete your XCT registration. Following which, you should receive an email in your given email ID confirming your payment. As mentioned, you'll need to fill a new application form for a new course you want to apply in. So during the form filling process, make sure to stay calm and follow the instructions very carefully. If any issues persist, log out and log in after some time, while making sure that you log in through the registered candidate section, either from your form number, student number or parent's mobile number, in which you have to select your form number by default, and the OTP will be sent to the given number. The process from here on is optional. The next step, we come to the family details, which means one parent's detail is only mandatory, which means out of your father, mother and legal guardian, you have to fill in only one person's detail, along with family annual income, and if your parents were former students of St. Xaviers College, Mumbai. Remember, if your parents are not former students of Xaviers, you can leave the question and save and proceed to the next step, where you have to enter your local address again along with the office address. After filling the mandatory fields, save and proceed. Now we come to the next step, where you have to fill in your 10th standard, 11th standard and 12th standard details.
So guys, as you saw that it's not mandatory to fill in your 12th standard marks, but obvious that most of you, 90% of you have not got your marks, and कुछ के तो exams ही खत्म नहीं हुए हैं. So chill, just have to complete the payment procedure. एक बार वो हो गया, आपको registration mail आ जाएगा. That's enough. You just stay calm. Once the registration mail is there with you, later on you can always fill in your marks detail, which is your 12th standard marks. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.